Hello students, and welcome to the next module of this chapter. And in this module, we shall be having a look at applications in biotechnology and the definition of biotechnology. So let us move ahead and take a look at the various applications that we find in biotechnology. The first application we have here is tissue culture. And tissue culture is basically of two types. We have plant tissue culture and we have animal tissue culture. So biotechnology finds its application in plant tissue culture and animal tissue culture. So let us move ahead and take a look at another application, protoplast fusion. Now the fusion of two different protoplasts from two different sources is protoplast fusion. The best example of protoplast fusion is pomato. The next application we have here is cell catalysis. Now this is a procedure where an entire cell is utilized for catalytic purposes in procedures. So this procedure is known as cell catalysis. Now let us have a look at another application. Here we have protein engineering. Now protein engineering is basically the designing, manipulation and construction of a protein to meet our desired end. So that is protein engineering. So the next application that we have here is DNA manipulation or rDNA technology, which is commonly called as genetic engineering or recombinant DNA technology. We shall be having a look at this technology in detail in this chapter. So the next application, what do we see here is immobilized enzymes. Now you all know what enzymes are. So these enzymes are immobilized or they are entrapped in suitable substances so that their recovery after the processes becomes easier. So that is what is immobilized enzymes. The next application we see here is agriculture. Recall we have already studied plant tissue culture. Now plant tissue culture as an application of biotechnology finds its application in agriculture. How does it do it? It basically gives us crops which can give us high yield, that is very good production. They can show disease resistance, they can grow in drought conditions, they can thrive or survive in poor soil or water conditions. So that is how plant tissue culture gives us good amount or good quality of crops in agriculture. So here we have an important application of biotechnology that is in agriculture. So the next application that we can see here is chemical industry. Biotechnology also finds its application in chemical industry. The next application we can see here is medicine. Whenever we fall sick, we go to a pathological lab to get ourselves diagnosed or undergo certain tests as to know what problem or what disease we are suffering with. So all these diagnostic purposes are an application of biotechnology, which is very important in medicine. The next application we can see here is pharmaceutical industry. The various drugs and medicines that we eat when we fall sick to get better are devised or discovered and made in pharmaceutical industry, and biotechnology finds its application in this industry in a very important or prominent way. The next application that we hear is environment. Now biotechnology is involved in conservation and protection of environment in various ways. So biotechnology also finds its application in environment in the terms of conservation and protection. So we have had a look at all the applications that biotechnology has to offer. So now let us have a look at this organization which is known as European Federation of Biotechnology. Now what does this organization do? This organization gave us the standard definition of biotechnology, which goes as biotechnology is the integration of natural science. So we are utilizing natural sciences. Next, and organisms. So we are utilizing whole organisms. Cells, we are also utilizing cells. Parts thereof, that means we are utilizing certain cellular organelles or the parts of the cell. Then what are we utilizing next? We are utilizing molecular analogs. Molecular analogs can be the macromolecules like DNA, protein, etc. for products and services. So European Federation of Biotechnology, that is EFB, gives us the standard definition of biotechnology, which reads as: biotechnology is the integration of natural science and organisms, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogs for products and services. So remember this definition very well, children. So in this module, we had a look at applications in biotechnology, we had a look at definition of biotechnology, and in the next module, we shall be studying genetic engineering. So till then, take care, study well, and bye-bye.